Hey there, cat guardians! Welcome back to our channel where we celebrate all things feline. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of the most beloved and common cat breeds on the planet, the Domestic Shorthair. These incredible felines are often mistaken for just ordinary cats, but trust me, they're anything but ordinary. With their diverse coat colors, playful personalities, and rich history, Domestic Shorthairs are truly special. Did you know that Domestic Shorthairs are not a single breed, but a category that includes a variety of mixed breed cats? This means they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, making each one unique. These cats are known for their adaptability and resilience, traits that have made them popular pets for centuries. Get ready to have your mind blown because I'm about to unleash 10 fascinating facts about Domestic Shorthairs that will leave you saying no way. For instance, did you know that these cats have been around for thousands of years? Their ancestors were likely brought to Europe by the Romans, and they have since spread across the globe. From their ancient roots to their playful personalities, we're covering it all. Domestic Shorthairs are known for their hunting skills, which were highly valued in ancient times. Even today, many of these cats retain their natural hunting instincts, making them excellent at keeping homes free of pests. So, grab your feline friend, get comfy, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any future cat-tastic content. Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or new to the world of felines, there's always something new to learn about these amazing creatures. Stay tuned as we explore more about their behavior, care tips, and fun facts that will make you appreciate your Domestic Shorthair even more. Fact number 1 might surprise you. Did you know that the Domestic Shorthair cat is not just any ordinary cat? Domestic Shorthairs are the most common cat breed in the world. Yes, you heard that right. These cats are everywhere, from bustling cities to quiet countryside homes. That's right, they're the top dogs, or should I say top cats, of the feline kingdom. Their reign is undisputed, and their presence is felt in almost every corner of the globe. But don't let their common status fool you. These cats are anything but average. Each Domestic Shorthair has its own unique set of traits and quirks that make it special. They're bursting with personality, each one a unique masterpiece, even if they all look alike to the untrained eye. From playful antics to serene moments of calm, these cats can do it all. Think about it. You've probably met a ton of Domestic Shorthairs without even realizing it. They blend seamlessly into our lives, becoming an integral part of our daily routines. They're the friendly face at your grandma's house, always ready to offer a comforting purr or a gentle nudge. The mischievous shadow darting under the couch, always on the lookout for a new adventure or a hidden toy. The purring machine curled up on your lap, providing warmth and companionship on a chilly evening. They're everywhere, and for good reason. Their adaptability and friendly nature make them the perfect companions for people of all ages. Whether you're a single professional, a family with kids, or a senior looking for a loyal friend, the Domestic Shorthair fits right in. These cats are known for their playful and affectionate nature, making them great playmates for children. They can keep up with the most energetic of kids, providing endless entertainment and joy. And when it's time to relax, there's nothing better than a Domestic Shorthair lounging in a sunbeam, soaking up the warmth and offering a sense of peace and tranquility to any home. Their versatility doesn't end there. Domestic Shorthairs are also known to get along well with other pets, making them a great addition to multi-pet households. Whether it's playing with a dog or coexisting with another cat, they adapt with ease. So, next time you see a cat, take a closer look. It might just be a Domestic Shorthair, the unsung hero of the feline world, quietly making our lives better one purr at a time. Fact number 2 takes us way back in time. Domestic Shorthairs have a history that stretches back thousands of years. These cats have been our companions since the dawn of agriculture. Picture this: ancient farmers struggling with rodents overrunning their grain stores. Enter the Domestic Shorthair, a natural-born hunter with a knack for keeping those pesky rodents in check. It was a match made in heaven. From that point on, the bond between humans and Domestic Shorthairs only grew stronger. They've been with us through thick and thin, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, and they're still going strong today. Talk about a long-lasting friendship. Fact number 3 is all about personality, and let me tell you, Domestic Shorthairs have personality in spades. These cats are not just pets, they are companions with a capital C. Their expressive faces and unique mannerisms make them stand out in any household. You can always count on a domestic shorthair to bring a smile to your face with their quirky antics and loving nature. They're known for their friendly and adaptable nature, which is one of the many reasons they make such amazing companions. Whether you're having a rough day or celebrating a joyous occasion, a domestic shorthair will be right there with you, sharing in your emotions. Their ability to sense your mood and react accordingly is truly remarkable. They are the epitome of a social butterfly in the cat world, always eager to meet new people and make new friends. Whether you're a seasoned cat parent or a first-time adopter, a domestic shorthair is likely to fit right into your home. They're great with kids, often forming strong bonds with the youngest members of the family. Their gentle and patient nature makes them ideal companions for children, teaching them the values of empathy and responsibility. You'll often find them participating in family activities, from playtime to quiet evenings on the couch. They can adapt to living with other pets, making them a versatile addition to any multi-pet household. Whether it's another cat, a dog, or even smaller animals, domestic shorthairs have a knack for getting along with everyone. Their easygoing nature helps them integrate seamlessly into any pet dynamic, reducing the stress that often comes with introducing a new animal to the home. And they're always up for a cuddle on the couch. These cats are affectionate and love to be close to their human companions. Whether you're watching TV, reading a book, or just relaxing, a domestic shorthair will likely be right there with you, purring contentedly. Their presence is comforting and their affection is genuine, making them the perfect cuddle buddies. But don't let their laid-back attitude fool you. These cats are also playful and curious. They have a zest for life that is infectious, and their playful antics can brighten even the dullest of days. From chasing after toys to exploring new nooks and crannies in the house, they are always on the lookout for their next adventure. These cats are also playful and curious, always ready for a game of chase or a feathery toy to bat around. Their playful nature is not just limited to their younger years. Even as they age, domestic shorthairs retain their love for play. This makes them a joy to have around as they bring a sense of fun and excitement to everyday life. Always ready for a game of chase or a feathery toy to bat around, domestic shorthairs are the perfect blend of playful and affectionate. Their curiosity knows no bounds, and they are always eager to explore their surroundings. This makes them not only great pets, but also wonderful companions who keep life interesting and full of surprises. Chapter 4. Built to last. Fact number 4 is music to any cat parent's ears. Domestic shorthairs are generally healthy and low-maintenance cats. They're a hardy breed with a strong constitution, and they don't require any special care beyond the basics. Of course, regular vet checkups, vaccinations, and a healthy diet are essential for any cat, but you won't find yourself making constant trips to the vet with a domestic shorthair. They're like the Toyota Camry of the cat world, reliable, sturdy, and built to last. Chapter 5. Everybody loves a domestic shorthair. Fact number 5 is no surprise to anyone who's ever met a domestic shorthair. They're incredibly popular pets, and for good reason. They're affectionate, playful, and relatively low maintenance, making them the perfect feline companion for people of all ages and lifestyles. Whether you're living the single life in a tiny apartment or raising a family in a bustling household, a domestic shorthair will bring joy and companionship to your life. They're the kind of cat that just makes you feel good, you know? Chapter 6. A rainbow of colors and patterns. Fact number 6 is all about looks, and let me tell you, domestic shorthairs come in a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns. From classic tabbies to sleek black cats, from calico cuties to tuxedo-clad charmers, there's a domestic shorthair out there to suit every taste. It's like Mother Nature took a paintbrush and went wild, creating a masterpiece with every single cat. And the best part? No two domestic shorthairs are exactly alike. Each one is a unique work of art, a testament to the diversity and beauty of the feline world. Fact number 7 is a heartwarming one. Domestic shorthairs have an average lifespan of 12 to 15 years. That's over a decade of purrs, cuddles, and feline shenanigans. And with proper care, many domestic shorthairs live well into their late teens and even early 20s. That's a lot of time to bond with your furry friend, to create memories that will last a lifetime. So cherish every moment with your domestic shorthair, because they're truly a gift. Chapter 8. Can you spot the difference? Fact number 8 might surprise you. Domestic Shorthairs are often mistaken for other short-haired breeds, like the American Shorthair or the British Shorthair. While they share some similarities in appearance, Domestic Shorthairs are a breed all their own. They're a mixed breed, a melting pot of feline genetics, which is part of what makes them so unique and special. So next time you meet a short-haired cat, don't be so quick to label them. They might just be a domestic shorthair in disguise. Chapter 9. Hunters by day, cuddlers by night. Fact number 9 will appeal to your inner child. Domestic shorthairs are natural-born hunters. It's in their DNA. Remember those ancient farmers who relied on these cats to keep their crops safe? Well, that instinct is still alive and well in domestic shorthairs today. They love to chase toys, stalk laser pointers, and pounce on anything that moves. But don't worry, they're not going to turn your house into a hunting ground, unless you have a serious rodent problem, that is. They're perfectly content to unleash their inner predator on a feather wand or a crumpled-up piece of paper. Chapter 10. The Purr-fect Melody. And finally, fact number 10, the grand finale, the piece de resistance. Domestic shorthairs have a unique purr that can be incredibly soothing. It's like a magical sound wave that washes over you, melting away stress and anxiety. There's nothing quite like curling up on the couch with a purring domestic shorthair after a long day. It's the ultimate form of relaxation, a feline symphony for your soul. So if you're ever feeling stressed or down, just spend some quality time with your domestic shorthair. Their purr will heal you from the inside out. Outrow, show me your domestic shorthairs. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 fascinating facts about domestic shorthairs that prove these cats are anything but ordinary. They're extraordinary companions with hearts of gold, and they deserve all the love and appreciation in the world. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your domestic shorthairs in the comments below. Share your stories, your photos, your videos. I want to see it all. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future cat-tastic content. Until next time, keep those tails twitching.